Welcome guys. Let me do Blendr technical analysis and price prediction for this bull run. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And guys, if you want to hire me as your portfolio manager, you can contact me on my Telegram. You can also join my Telegram group in which I give cryptocurrency trading signals, charts and price predictions. So please watch this video complete and please subscribe my Telegram channel too. And guys, if you want to earn top 5 cryptocurrency airdrops, links are in this video's comment section. Let's dive straightly into the content. Blendr network right now trading at 47 cent. It is direct 933. Market cap is only $19 million. Fully diluted market cap is also $19 million. 24-hour trading volume is just 385k USDT. Circulating supply is 40 million. Total and maximum supply is 42 million. Around 85% to 86% supply is open. That is a positive point. 95% supply is open. The highest price paid for Blendr is $4.31. All-time low price is 38 cent. You can buy Blendr on Maxi Exchange, Gate.io, CoinEx. Maxi, Gate.io and CoinEx exchanges links are in this video's comment section. You can register your account by clicking on these links. And here you can see guys, it is a Ethereum based coin and I am bullish because of the hype, because of the circulating supply. Look at the circulating supply. Around 90-95% supply is open and that is a positive point. Let me please show you its price chart for the bull run and my price targets. Here you can see guys, it is Blendr USDT daily chart. Right now trading price is 48 cent and resistance level is 53 cent. And our support level is 38 to 42 cents price area. This blue box is very important spot. If in any case Blendr price break this box or spot box, then its price can further go down and that will be the disaster. Right now look at these candles. Here you can see, look at the candles. These are pullback candles and that is why it is a strong spot. Blendr strong spot starting from 38 cent to 42 cents price area. And if price hold this strong spot of 42 cent, then next target is 54 cent, 81 cent and 97 cent. Let me please show you EMA ribbon. That is a strong resistance right now. And let me please show you its volume. Volume is decent, but there is important resistance of this EMA ribbon and it is starting from 60 cent and the area we have to watch 75 cent to 81 cent price area. If daily candle close above this area, in that case that that will be this scenario. Until now there are two scenarios. First scenario is that price hold this area, price touch this area. It is around 65 cent, maybe 70 cent this area, and pull back again towards downside. And after that can be the first scenario. And second scenario is that price straightforwardly move upside and break this and create a support above this, and that kind of move we can watch once price break this 82 cent and close a daily candle above this area. The area of concern is this horizontal resistance and this EMA ribbon. These both resistances are very important. Let me please delete this. Now, if in any case its price break this major area of 38 cent, in that case what can be the target? For this we have to draw fib levels. If its price break 38 cent, next area of concern is 22 cent, and after that will be the disaster. I'm not in favor of this target, and it is around 4 to 5 cent price level, but I'm not sure about this. But 23 cent we can consider. If you want to buy it for long term holding, I think it is the best time to buy it. You can buy at current price, or you can buy at 38 cent to 40 cent price window. And if price drops to 23 or 22 cent, that can be the perfect buying in terms of DCA. Let me please show you its price target for the bull run. For bull run price targets, we have to consider its top. You can see this, and let me please draw this from top to bottom. Here you can see our first upside target is $2.05. After this target, a big upside rally will start after this area, $2.05. If daily candle close above $2.05, 0.38 Fibonacci level, in that case next targets are, let me please show you, these are bull run price targets. $7.47, you can say $7.50, and second is around $12, 11.95, or you can say $10. Third is around 16.25, this area, and final can be $19 to $20 price window. In that way, Blendr can be, let me calculate it from current price to this area. Let me please do this. In that way, we can earn 38x from Blendr, and it is quite achievable. But before this target, we have to watch its circulating supply and market cap. Circulating supply is very high, around 95%, I think, and that is a positive sign. Market cap is very small, only 20 million market cap, $20 million. That is why 10x, maybe 20x, maybe 25x, maybe 30, maybe 40x. With 10x, its market cap can be only 200 million. With 20x, 400 million. With 40x, 800 million. That is why maybe 30 to 40x window is very, very realistic target. So that we can assume $20 for the bull run price target. We can consider $20. Keep spotting, guys. Take care.